stopping, almost stopped already, and instead of from midnight to midnight, this time it was from midday to midday, 24 hours. What has changed, I have no idea. I don't remember it being like that, but maybe it's an exception. We'll see next time. So by tomorrow evening my cave will be dry and from bigger humidity, and then I can start moving stuff and drying up from below the things wherever it happened to seep in, and then I can one day begin fighting the holes and thinking about first, because I don't have the means to replace the roof. I need to be creative in finding a solution, but about that next time when I be in action in reparation works. This is how it looks on the cave floor. Water is gone. It just stays humid for a while. It's nothing compared to jungle and some other places where I've been in the tent. So this is just a minor inconvenience and same time beautiful. This replacement has now supported very well, nicely built. It's completely dry underneath, regardless of heavy waterfall here. So I can't complain about my progress in building here things, but I can always do better, that's for sure.